Hi guys, this my mom is on school, is on the house. There's classy. Okay, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Wait guys. I will start now.
Study na. Subtraction.
Yeah.
You read first. 3.
8 minus 3.
You count.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ay, berlimot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So, minus 3. Huh? Ito na, nag-cash out na mga 3.
3.
How many left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You write 5.
Bali, may. Bali.
Ito, isa po man. Oh, go.
Yay.
Okay, next. Next na. Next na.
My hands.
Then,
my hands broke on the school. I found that the school. May nahulog na ko school, may anak ko.
pastigan naman kung international. Dali na, dili ka nag-answer pa.
Okay.
Sina?
Okay.
You read. Then,
1, 2, 3. 10 minus 6 was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. May,
minus 6.
ima right na sorry.
Flower. Sina, minus 6 na.
Oh, ima right sorry.
Flower ito. Sige na. Minus 6 na.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Minus 6.
6. Okay, ako na.
Ito siya.
Abot na 10?
6 na.
6.
10 minus 6 man. So, crush out 6.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many left?
6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
You're right.
10 minus 6 equals 4. Okay. 5 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5, right?
Oh, minus 3.
Sorry, 3, 1, 2, sorry.
Count. How many left?
1, 2. 5 minus 3 equals 5. Sorry.
How many left?
Sorry.
Look up, 3. Look up. How many left? Again.
10.
To look up on 2 and answer. Focus. Again, 5 minus 3. How many left?
2.
Pagbantay sa number. Sige na.
May nalimot ako. 2. Sorry.
Sige na, next.
May nahulog na ko school. May naya na ako. May naya na ako. May naya na ako.
Sige na. May last 2 na.
Naya na ako.
Mag-leave lagi. Sige na.
Kapit na maigo ako. Head. Nabungod.
Gara-gara mo.
Dirira.
Sige na.
Yan.
Storytelling. Pag-answer na kay last 2 na. Sige na. Next na. Pastilan. Sige na.
Sheesh. Ano sabmay? 6 minus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 na?
Minus 2. 6 na. 6. Oh, all in all is 6. Minus 2. Cash
2
out
na?
2. Cash out 2.
1, 2.
How many left? How many left?
4.
Mm.
Ayan na ako may
Mm.
4.
Sige na, wait for.
4. Ta-da.
Last one.
7 minus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 na.
7 minus 3.
0 na.
Crush out 3. Sige na.
3 na.
Sige na, minus 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
How many left? Sige, kinuha ko. How many left?
4. Yan ako.
Sige, right 4.
4!
Okay, very good. You read now.
Okay. Guys, I finished. I finished now.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. See you, guys. I want my mom. There's class now. Bye, guys. Guys. This my it's birthday, mom. I give presents, mom. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye.